welcome to Olivier and Lima channel. Today we're going far from Abidjan and Yamoussoukro. We're going to Daloa to see how they make their smoked fishes. Thanks to this lady and her family, my cousin was able to film this video.
S'il vous plaît, madame, pourquoi est-ce que vous enroulez les poissons comme ça?
Bon, parce que quand les clients la prennent pour aller préparer, là, pour ne pas que ça se casse dans la sauce. Là.
Ah, d'accord.
So after washing and folding the fishes, they will put them on an iron grill, and then they will put the fishes on top of a barrel, and below the barrel there is a wood fire. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. This is how they make smoked fishes in Daloa. Don't miss the end of the video. She will go to the market.
Ouais, prochaine fois.